डीजल की कीमत अब बाजार के हवाले कर दी गई है। हालांकि डीजल की कीमतों में 3 रुपए 37 पैसे की कमी हुई है। नई दरें आज रात से लागू होंगी, तो दिवाली से पहले बड़ा धमाका हुआ है।
Detailed report had been submitted by the Secretaries Committee to the Minister for Petroleum and Natural Gas, who is with me today. They reviewed the entire criteria. They looked at the various hubs which had been considered. They also looked at the various hubs which had been ignored. And they reworked out the formula, and the Cabinet approved the report of the Secretaries Committee. On basis of the formula of the committee, a detailed press statement will be issued to you. The price now fixed is $5.61 per MMBTU. This price will take into consideration the fact that there is a sufficient incentive for drilling and investment, as also it is not excessively burdensome as far as the consumers are concerned. The next major decision was the participation of India in the Chahabad port in Iran. Some of our major ports like JNPT and Kandla will be a part of the joint venture through which this port will be developed. There will be an initial investment also made by us, along with an annual investment made. This port is of extreme strategic importance to us, particularly with regard to our transport link with the region. The next major decision was to approve the development of the Ahmedabad Metro Railway Project Phase 1. अहमदाबाद में जो मेट्रो रेलवे प्रोजेक्ट है उसको भी सरकार ने स्वीकृति दी है। इसकी कीमत 10,773
तो जो मुख्य बातें कही अरुण जेटली ने, वित्त मंत्री साहब ने, वो सुन लीजिए। 3 रुपए 37 पैसे सस्ता हो गया है डीजल। जो कम हुई है कीमतें वो आज 12 बजे से लागू हो जाएगी। डीजल को डी रेगुलेट किया गया है, उसकी कीमतें बाजार के हवाले तय कर दी गई है।